Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I will be writing a Python program to perform basic arithmetic operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus by using user-defined function. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members. Share the video link in various social networks which you are going to use, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning. First I will be opening the Python application. In this one I am writing an Python program to perform basic arithmetic operations by using user-defined function. So interpreter has been opened. I will create a new file by using a shortcut key Ctrl+N. So this is the new file. So first I will write the comment hash the program name, that is Python program to perform basic arithmetic operations by using user defined function. Okay, then I will write the definition of the function. So first one I will write and comment function to find sum. So you will write the definition def space the function name as sum, open the bracket. I will be passing two parameters. For that purpose I will write the variable names as a comma b, close the bracket, colon, press enter. Here I will calculate the sum s equal to a plus b and I will print that one. Print, open bracket within a double quotes, sum of double quotes close comma a comma double quotes and double quotes close comma b comma within a double quotes equal to double quotes close comma s, close the bracket, press enter, press the backspace and press enter. So this is the definition of sum function. So I will copy this particular definition and I will paste it. Okay, in the even I will copy the comment function to define function to find sum, have written right. So that one. So here I will write function to find difference and here I will write def sup, that is the function name a comma b. So I'll take the same variable as print. Here I will write, instead of sum I will write difference. Okay, difference of a and b equal to the same variable s. Then again I will copy along with the comment the function definition. Okay, I will paste that one. So to copy, Ctrl C, shortcut key. To paste, the Ctrl V is the shortcut key. So function to find. So next I will find the product. So here I will write the function name as pro and here I will take the variable as p and here it should be a asterisk p. So here instead of difference it should be product of a and b equal to, and then I have stored in a variable p, and here since it is a subtraction it should be a minus. Okay, that is a minus b. Next I paste again once again. Now to find the division. Okay, so I'll write here to find division. So here I will write the function name as div and here I will take the variable as d and here I will write a divided by b, print. So here it is division of of a and b equal to, so that I have stored in a variable d. Okay, then again I will write another one definition, that is for the purpose of remainder. So I'll paste it and I modify this one, function to find modulus. Okay, and I will write the function name as mod. Okay, and here I will take the variable as m equal to a percentage b, and here I will write remainder instead of difference, remainder of a and b equal to, so that I have stored in a variable called m. Okay, so I have written 5 user defined function. This one is to find sum and display, this one is to find difference and display, and this one is to find the product and display, this one is to find the division and display, this one is to find the remainder and display, and which begins with the hash, those are the comments. Okay, now I will call each of these functions. First I will read the values, so I'll write as x equal to int, open the bracket, input, close the bracket, open the bracket within a double quotes, enter first number, double space, double quotes, close bracket, close bracket, close. Then I'll write the second value, y equal to int, open bracket, input, again open bracket within a double quotes, enter second number, space, double quotes, close bracket, close, and bracket, close. Okay, after this I will call each of the functions. First I will call sum by writing sum within a bracket x comma y, press enter. Next I will call the difference function, that is sup within a bracket a comma b. Then I will call the product function pro within a bracket a comma b. Then I will call the division function, so I will write div, open the bracket a comma b, close the bracket. So here it is not a comma b, the variables I have taken as xy, that is sub of x comma y, pro of x comma y, and this one division, that is div x comma y. Then I will call another function mod to find the modulus x comma y, close the bracket. So each of the functions will be called and it will be executed, and each of them will be displaying the output. So I'll save the program, Ctrl S, the shortcut key. So I'll write UDART, that means user defined arithmetic operation. You can write any name so that you have to remember that name. Press enter. Now to run the program, press F5, this is a shortcut key. So first enter first number and view the value as 5. Press enter, I'll view the second number as 2. Press enter, so you can see the sum of 5 and 2, 7, difference of 5 and 2, 3, product of 5 and 2, 10, division of 5 and 2, 2.5, remainder of 5 and 2, that is 5 divided by 2, remainder is 1. So how this particular program has been executed? So here x equal to input, enter the first number, that means what? It will be performing this one, enter first number, so I have given 5 and that is assigned to x. Then this statement y equal to int in, open the bracket, input, double quotes, enter the second number, so it will display this statement, have given the value 2, that is assigned to y. Then have written sum of x comma y, that means it will call this function, okay, and here it will be executing these statements. So first it will calculate s equal to a plus b, so 5 plus 2, so here x y has been copied into ab, okay, so s equal to a plus b, that means 5 plus 2 7. So then afterwards print sum of, that means it will display this one, sum of a, that means it will display the value of a 5, and b, that means it will display and b value as 2, equal to is displayed as it is, then it will display s is nothing but 5 plus 2 7. The next it will come here, it will call sub function. So then it will be executing this statement. So here it will calculate the difference and it's stored in variable s. It displays, that is it will be displaying difference of 5 and 2 equal to 3. Similarly, the product function, division function and modulus function. So when this modulus function is called, it will be executing this statement, m equal to a mod b, that is 5 mod 2 will be equal to 1, and that is assigned to variable m. Then print remainder of a, that means remainder of 5, and b, that means and 2 equal to 1, so which is stored in a variable m. Like this way you can write an user defined function to perform the basic arithmetic operations in Python programming language. Suppose if you need to read for each of the functions, that is sum, difference, product, division, modulus, two numbers. Here what we have done, just we have read two numbers and we have passed those values only. Otherwise for each of the functions you need to read two numbers. That means these statements need not be repeated again and again for each of the functions. Just we have done once and those values you are passing and you are calculating. I hope you understand this particular program. So this is an Python program to perform basic arithmetic operation by using user defined function. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members. Gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning.